Welcome to Titanic. This is where Jack slept.
After it sunk.
We don't have enough money to sleep in real beds.
This is Dan's room.
This is Dan's room.
His wiener was...
This is Dan's room.
Please note the window goes directly out
And it
to the hallway.
And it doesn't shut all the way. Okay,
So no privacy in this
Come here,
joint.
let me show you this room. Take a look at the bed. We just found some stains on it. It's like sitting on straight metal springs.
Here's the kitchen.
Oh look, there's a piece of the bed. Oh look, the bed broke.
Oh look, that's a piece of the bread, Chop.
Our our handle broke off. Our TV doesn't have a power button. The buttons broke off the TV.
Yeah, this place is
This place is a beaut.
this place is pretty the dumps. We just want to record this forever.
This is a dime piece.
I'm a damn piece. Okay, let's watch.